Good morning students. Now in this video we are going to see how to draw the next two shapes. Okay, you know how to draw rectangle and oval, then you know how to draw rectangle primitives, how to draw oval primitives. Now we'll see how to draw polystar. What this shape is. Polystar is nothing but you can draw the polygon and star shape over here. Okay, now suppose I am selecting this polystar and you can draw here, you can able to draw the polygon over here. Okay, see, like this. You can change the stroke color also, you can change the fill color also and draw the polygon here. See, okay, for that also you can reshape, you can select the selection tool and you can change the shape like this or like this. Okay, now for a star shape, what you have to do is select polystar option, okay, and go to property panel and see the options is available here. Select options and select the style. Instead of polygon, you need to select star, okay, and click on the OK option and see, now you can able to draw the star over here. Okay, I'm changing the stroke color. See, now you can able to draw star. It's very easy and very interesting subject. You can select multiple colors and you can draw the stars like this. Okay, see, it looks very nice. Now I'm taking next new page. You can use a pencil tool, select pencil tool, likewise same as a line tool. Okay, see, you can draw these lines like this. This is your normal line. Okay, see, horizontal vertical lines are also available over here. Next, after selecting pencil tool, you can able to see here straight lines, smooth line, ink line. Okay, suppose I am selecting a smooth line. See, this is your smooth line. See the difference between the straight line and the smooth line. Okay, then you can see the ink over here. Okay, this is your ink. Likewise, you can change the style over here. Okay, see, this is a straight line. Okay, this is the use of the pencil or the stroke. Now next is a paint bucket tool. Okay, for paint bucket tool you need to draw one shape. Suppose I am drawing a shape over here. Okay, what is the color of the shape is aqua color. Now you can change the color by using the paint bucket tool. I am selecting paint bucket tool and you can change the color from here. See, and just click here inside the shape. Okay, the color will be changed. See, like paint. Okay, paint software, how you can paint the shapes and how you can paint the colors. Okay, likewise. Next topic is your gradient fill. Suppose I am drawing one rectangle over here. See, this is your normal solid fill. Okay, see, in this color panel you can see the type over here. If I want a linear type, so you can see the type and you can draw here linear type. See, this is your linear type. Then if you want a radial, then you can see this is a preview. Okay, you can change the color from here. I want this color, then you can change the color radial. Okay, suppose I am drawing a rectangle. See, Okay, this is a gradient. Create a new gradient fill in your shape. Okay, now the last point is painting with the brush tool. Okay, for that first you need to draw the rectangles over here. Okay, see, I'm drawing a rectangle. After that, what you have to do, select the brush tool and see here brush mode is available at the bottom of your toolbar. Brush mode is available. Select the brush mode as a paint inside. Okay, see what is happening. Change the color. I'm changing the color because you can see the difference over here. See, suppose I'm coloring this brush tool. What is happening? It will showing me what? Paint behind tool. Okay, likewise, suppose I am drawing one more rectangle. Okay, select a brush tool and you can change the selection mode. Okay, paint fills. See, I'm selecting paint fills and I'm changing the color. You can able to see what is happening. It is giving me color all over. Okay, paint fills means it is giving me all over colors. Next, again I am drawing one rectangle, then again I am choosing a brush tool. You can select any paint mode, paint behind. You can select the color and change the color. See, it is showing me only behind color. Okay, this is the use of the brush tool and the use of the brush mode. Okay, likewise you can draw the brush mode tools. Directly you can use the eraser tool on your shape. See, directly the shape will be erased like this. Okay, understood? Reshape, link and shape I already told you. I am taking a new file. See, reshape. Suppose I am selecting one rectangle. Okay, you can go to selection tool and use this. Like this is a reshape tool. Okay, likewise you can change the shape of your main original shape. Okay, see. Okay, likewise you can use all these shapes. Now this is the end of your chapter number 9. Now at the bottom of your chapter, last page of your chapter, the practice time is given. That practice time you need to practice at your home. If you have a laptop or a desktop at your home, then you can practice that. Okay, one drawing is given over there, given in your textbook. Then you can create a happy new year, happy birthday cards also in this flash. Okay, you can draw many drawings in this flash. Okay, now students, I already gave you assignments. All the questions are coming from your chapter only, that filling the blanks true or false and choose the correct option. So solve it carefully. Okay, I will give you now the answers of the filling the blanks true or false and choose the correct option. So by heart that and then solve your assignments. See, these are the answers of your filling the blanks. Okay, filling the blanks answers are given, then true or false answers are also given, and choose the correct options are given. Okay, see the answers and try to solve the assignments over here. Hope you all are having a textbook with you. If you don't have a textbook, please go through this video. See, questions are also there, filling the blanks. Okay, true or false. And the next one is choose the correct option. Okay, see, this is choose the correct option. Please pause this video and read the question carefully and write down the answers and then solve the assignments. Next is answer. See, all fill in the blanks, true or false, and choose the option. Okay, that's it, students.